Inside every still, dark gray solar panel that you see, there is a constant pulsing flow of internal energy moving just beneath. Underneath that surface is a microscopic highway system. Here, sunlight transforms into electricity, traveling down dedicated lanes, feeding clean energy to our grid. But these roads can break. A microscopic crack acts like a collapsed bridge, instantly halting the flow of electricity. When those electrical units pile up, they create intense friction. That friction generates dangerous amounts of heat, which can permanently damage the panel, drain the system's power, and even spark a fire. Because these highways are thinner than a human hair and sealed behind thick glass, this damage stays completely hidden until a catastrophic failure happens. To catch these problems, maintenance crews usually start by sending up drones equipped with high-resolution cameras to check the panels from above. A standard camera only sees the surface. It can spot a shattered pane of glass or a layer of dirt, but the electrical traffic jams happening underneath remain invisible. To look deeper, inspectors use a thermal overlay. Most of the surface stays cool, but a bright red cluster warns us a traffic jam is generating friction. These cameras map heat created by the backup rather than the movement of electricity itself. By the time a heat signature is bright enough to show up, the panel is already failing. It is actively losing energy and sustaining physical damage. We are observing the result of a failure rather than identifying the cause before it starts. There is a way to see through the glass. By using specialized cameras that capture a faint internal glow, we can get an X-ray that exposes the internal cell structure, revealing those dark, jagged fractures inside. This technique shows us the exact location of a microscopic crack or a broken bridge long before any dangerous heat starts to build up. To get this picture, you have to force electricity to flow backward through the panel, and the process only works in near total darkness. Shutting down a massive power plant every night just to take localized X-rays is too slow and expensive to work at scale. A faster approach is needed to monitor millions of panels while they are still running. A new method called magnetic field imaging changes the strategy. Instead of looking for heat or waiting for darkness, this technology tracks magnetism. As electricity moves, it generates a tiny magnetic field rippling outward. 3D scanners capture these ripples, showing the exact strength and direction of electrical traffic. When a bridge snaps and current stops, the magnetic field instantly vanishes at the break. This shifts how we monitor the grid. Operators can track the actual flow of electricity in broad daylight, pinpointing the exact location of a broken lane in real time without ever shutting down the system. Looking at a massive utility-scale solar farm reveals the true scale of this invisible inspection challenge. A facility like this contains millions of panels and over 1 billion individual connections. Manually reviewing the magnetic data for every single joint is impossible for a human team. To process this massive volume of three-dimensional magnetic maps, artificial intelligence acts as an automated traffic controller for the entire grid. These lightweight computer networks analyze the magnetic data in milliseconds. They are trained to distinguish between normal traffic variations and true structural defects. This enables predictive maintenance. Finding weak bridges immediately prevents revenue loss, reduces scrapped materials, and eliminates fire risks before they ever develop. Securing the reliability and safety of our global clean energy transition requires seeing past the glass surfaces of our infrastructure to master the invisible highways powering our future.